Okay.
This one's for you, Malcolm.
That's like Gauntlet.
We gotta do Gauntlet.
We gotta get a freaking top loader in here.
I know. You say that every time.
I know. Or you just gotta open up the NES and tighten it and
You
fix
say
the
that
thing.
every time too.
That's free.
You got something.
No, the white is on what comes up anyways. Oh, I read it a little bit because it didn't blink. It didn't actually.
There we go. Right. Wait, that's not right.
No, there's something wrong.
Yeah.
It's close.
Just hit the reset. No. Almost. Worse. There we go. Yes.
Kitty, are you serious?
She took yours.
Move! What a freaking... Are you looking at him to sit on you? That guy's the best one.
Archer.
Yeah.
He's the weakest.
Yeah, but he has the most range.
Yes.
Gotta get to the spawn.
Remember this at timeout. The first 4-person game. It was the craziest thing. We thought we used to ride our bikes to the marketplace.
Now that's the map. That's like the overworld right there. And you can see the line. So there's different exits you can take in each level, and your line, like you could go up or go through. And the top is like your worlds. So we're in like the castle area right now. Oh, that was wrong way. That's weird.
What's she doing? Kitty.
Because the Archer can do this, and he can shoot diagonally.
You cleared out the whole area. Get the money.
I'm going.
No, it's just timed.
My max health went up to 940.
Nice. Oh wait, you're still going. What was that?
Yeah, I think that was just telling me I must have
Bonus?
I must have leveled up or something. The treasure, that's what the treasure does, I think, is it lets you level
It's
up.
like experience.
Yeah.
We have this on something else too.
We have the second one on the NES too, and we played that one. So you're probably thinking
That's what
we own the second one. Because I like the second one looks better.
I'm gonna get the Tengen one.
Yeah, this one, yeah. That one's easier to find. This version that we have like the harder.
Yes, you are.
Okay, I gotta make it through the mud over
You're gonna make it?
Yeah.
That was cool.
I'm fine, I'm gonna survive this level.
I'll do continue. You gotta shoot the brown things.
I know, I gotta get there first. Jeez, give me like 2 seconds.
Here, hold that. 6 for... Oh, there's no...
No.
Oh. I'll beat a wizard.
Those are like the spawners.
Oh, yeah, I used to play this.
I know. But you get confused a lot. So. Just because you used to play it freaking like 40 years ago doesn't mean you remember anything about it. You mix up games like nothing all the time. We thought Kid Nicky was Kiddickers for like the first couple months we were looking for him. He went back to the main room.
Dang it!
And you were watching me play too. And you're still going around.
I don't know, shock.
Good that you did it.
The arcade one's better.
Well, yeah. would have had to save a key from, I think. Yeah.
Would have had to go the other way,
Now can he shoot? See if he can shoot. Okay, that's the wizard. And you can break those crumble blocks.
Pac-Man.
Your guy has less health than
Yeah,
the archer.
Makes sense.
Oh, there's the exit.
What happened?
You ran out of time.
Oh.
Press start.
Try it. Oh, what was that?
Those things. I don't know. That was probably your special move.
Oh, that kills everything in the room. I remember that.
You can break those items.
What game we doing next?
Capcom. Yep, yep, you're good. Oh.
Oh well.
Okay.
That's good enough for one video. You gotta keep under 15.